Hello, my name is Tory Cantrell, and I am a member of the Nature Alchemy Brewing Company team in the Engineering Modeling and Design class with Professor Kenneth Thiemann. Our team consists of 4 first-year engineering students with a passion for nature, technology, and inclusivity. Pictured in the slide are the members of our brewing team. From left to right, we have Iacoangeli, Savannah, Lynn, Stanish, and Tory Cantrell. We strive to be a beer brewing company that specializes in nature-related organic ales. The goal of the Nature Alchemy Brewing Company project is to model the process of starting a brewery restaurant from both the technical and business side. The business we have designed is a 10 BBL brewery that is attached to a full bar and restaurant where we will serve our beer along with food. In order to fully understand the brewing process, our team researched each step thoroughly. The first step of the brewing process is using a grain mill to crush the barley, wheat, and other grains that are used to brew beer. The crushed grain is then added to the mash tun where it is mixed with warm water to create a sweet wort. After being separated from the remaining grains, the wort is moved to the boil kettle where it will boil at a high temperature for a short period of time. During this process, hops and fruit are added to the mixture and boiled in to add a unique flavor to the beer. The wort is then quickly cooled before it is fermented with yeast for 10 to 14 days to turn the sugary wort into an alcoholic beer. The beer is then filtered through a whirlpool method to collect any remaining solid particles in the mixture. At this point, the beer is sent to a pressurized bright tank to add carbonation to the mixture. The beer is then ready to be served. The next step in creating our business plan was to model all of the vessels needed to brew beer and create a layout of our brewing floor. Each team member modeled 2 pieces of brewing equipment in on-shape with attention to functionality and safety standards. The vessels were then connected to one another using standard 1.5-inch pipes and flanged inlets and outlets to avoid leaking. The layout of the brewing floor was designed with efficiency in mind and with the tanks located in the order of the brewing process. Additionally, our piping system has a minimum height of 12 feet to decrease the potential hazard for workers when they are navigating the brewing floor. The floor plan for our brewery restaurant was designed to have plenty of space on the brewing floor and also create an inviting restaurant environment for our customers. Our floor plan includes a large brewing space, a cold storage room, a kitchen, a main dining area, and a high-top bar to meet the needs of our business. Throughout the customer area, there are also windows placed to allow our customers to see the beer being brewed. With our new business plan, our company submitted a bank loan request for $450,000. The vessel line item list came out to roughly $420,000, and we decided to round up to cover any additional expenses that may occur while we are opening. After securing a bank loan, our company began planning our beer menu. Using MATLAB, our team was able to create a full program to take a home brew beer recipe and scale it up to a 10 BBL recipe that we can use in our brewery. The code takes user input from the original recipe and utilizes mathematical techniques to scale up the recipe. The program then outputs values from the full-scale recipe, outlining the brewing process while turning on the Arduino board light associated with each step. This program allows our company to scale up organic homebrew recipes and create an inclusive beer menu. Using this program, our company was able to create a full-scale beer recipe that we plan to use for our first batch once we open. Our first recipe is an all-natural, organic, pine and citrus-flavored ale named the Elder Mage Ale. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon.